after many years teaching Tantra here in Hridaya, the question that we have been asked the most is, can relationship be part of my spiritual practice? Can I actually integrate my relationship in spirituality?
And the answer is yes, indeed. As long as relationship is part of our life, it's part of our spiritual journey, because our life is our spiritual journey, and the relationship can, in some cases, be at the core of our journey. It can be the catalyst towards love, towards realizing the most profound part of our being. And this is why we created this workshop. It's a longing to share how to be in a relationship in that aspiration towards truth together. And the workshop is called Tantric Relationship Beyond Separation. It's a 5-day journey we'll be having together here in Hridaya. We gave not long ago a course that was on a similar topic, and actually some months later one of the participants of that course, she came to us here in Hridaya and she said, you know, during the course and after that, all my friends came and were asking me, how can you be so much in love with your partner? Why are you loving each other so much? And indeed, love is always there. It's just up to us to open to it again, like we saw each other for the first time. So in this workshop, we will go over the fundamentals of Tantra, self-inquiry. We will use the map of the chakras to go to understand our psyche and go beyond it. And we will mainly learn how to see love and truth in each other.
And we will use ritual as a tool for that. So every night after dinner, after an intense day of theory and also some practice, we will come in silence. And for each night, we will have a different ritual where we will come in communion and transfiguring each other, and having also different ritual related to different elements. So we hope very much that this workshop will have the same effect as the online course, and we invite you to join here in Hridaya, and hoping very much to see you soon.
Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste.